Welcome. In front of me is an HTC Desire 628, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So to get started, you want to hold power key and then select power off. Once the device turns off, hold power key and a volume up at the same time. As you can see, this will boot us into download mode. So from here, using volume keys, you want to scroll down so you can select the reboot to bootloader and confirm it with power key. From the bootloader, again using volume keys, you're gonna scroll down in order to select recovery mode, confirm it with power key again. And once it reboots, before it actually enters recovery mode, it will show us like this phone icon. So what you will want to do once you see it is hold power key, and while holding power key, you'll press volume up, and from there you can let go also of the power key. Okay, there we go. So that's what I was talking about. So power key, volume up, and you can let go of the power. And right now you should be in recovery mode. So again, using volume keys, you want to scroll down in order to select wipe cache partition, confirm it with power key, and there we go, cache wipe complete. Press power key once more, considering reboot system now is selected by default, and this will now take you back to Android. And as you can see, we are back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.